Hello YouTubers, Alaska Prepper here. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you've heard about the lithium shortage that is looming worldwide. As many of you already know, in addition to the health and shipping crisis we've been experiencing for the past couple of years, and in addition to the push on green energy, lithium is in very short supply and will be for the foreseeable future. And I don't know one prepper who does not have a good stockpile of batteries. But in my opinion, these EBL lithium batteries are a good bang for the buck, as they have a rated life cycle of 1200 full charges and only require a small solar panel and inverter to be charged. What I especially like about this kit is that it comes with 12 AA batteries that are 2800 milliamps and 8 AAA batteries that are 1100 milliamps. To give you some perspective as to how much a milliamp is, a garden variety smartphone usually has a battery that is around 3000 milliamp hours. They also come with these adapters that turn your AA batteries into either D or C cell batteries. Stock up on these now while they're still available. Don't wait until you need them to get them.